So today we are going to be opening a Pokemon pack. Whoa, this looks awesome. So let's open it. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Let's open some. So first, we are going to be opening this one. See that little penguin right there? That's actually so funny and adorable. And let's open it. Ah! What can we use to open this? My nails or what? Are you kidding me? I can't even open it. Yeah! Give away! Now we are opening it. Wait, what just happened? Ow. Whoa, what is this? What is this? Look it out. Wait, is that the same picture right here? Scary. Oh, look at this coin. Oh my god. Wait, are you stuck here, buddy? I can help you. Can you guys just wait for a sec? Oh. Okay. So, we're gonna put those stuff right there. And now, watch this out. Look. Guys, I'm gonna open it right now. And look what cards we have. Oh, this is a scanning code? Okay. But the scanning code looks kind of cool. Oh, look what I got! Cast form. Oh, Galar. Okay, don't complain me. I'm actually very bad at reading. Wait, Professor's research? And who's this? Cool. Wait a minute, we got energy. Wait, who's this? Like an egg, kind of? Silly. This doesn't even make sense! Who is she? Aw, that's so cute. This looks like a genie. Oh, purple. 20x? What's that? Let's check it out later. Oh, monkey! Okay. We are done. One whole cover or one pack of the Pokemon thing. Wait, we're not even done the pack yet. Okay. I wanted to put it so nice, but it's actually so bad. And we need to just clean it a little bit. And that's cool. And I'm putting the cards right there. And we're opening this. Let's start it. Let's open it. Wait, are you locked or something, boy? What's happening? Ah! Ouch. Finally, I opened it. Whoa, what is this? Wow. Another scan code? Okay. And let's shuffle it. Wait a minute. Look at this. Kuchina. I don't know what that is. Whoa. This is super reflective glasses. Whoa. I can't pronounce it. It's actually rainbow, so let's just call it T. Energy! It's fire. Ooh, what's this? Quilava. Dark patch. Bit sharp. Who's even that? And Mantine and Waltarb, Basculin, and our last one, Lamiao. Okay, so these are all of the cards that we got so far. Look. Wait, some of them are sideways, but that doesn't matter because it's just a little small problem. So we are gonna put some cards right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, 22. So that's our first pack. Let's go to our second pack. So guys, I have to say sorry for this, but for the other packs, we actually couldn't put them because the video was actually not working, but we finally fixed it, and it's our last one. But in the end of the video, I'll show you all the cards. So let's start opening it. Not again! No! It just doesn't happen. Finally! Yeah! Okay, this time it didn't even fall, so that's good. A golden coin, and another picture, and a pack, and another pack. I wish I get really good cards because this is the last pack. Let's start with this one. Whoa, this card is actually so cool. I wish it's in there. Time to open it. I can open it! Finally, my sister has opened it. So, that one too, I asked my sister to open it. Oh. feels like I opened like 100 packs. Ouch. Scan code and the cards. Whoa. Okay. So first we have is PS Duck. And next we have is Pet Illa. And next we have Slanter. And next we have Radiant Greninja. Whoa, what is this? Luxray Energy. Yet. Devot. Yan Mega. Who's she? Police officer or trainer? Oh yeah, it says trainer. And our last one is Cricky Tot. Whoa. Look. So this is the last one. And this time, let me check if I can open it for the last one. It actually worked. Whoa. Shabachu. Whoa, look. Dead Anna. Whoa. It's kind of like Pikachu. And Milk Carry. Sorry. Watch. Whoa, energy? What is that? That looks so cool. Dusclops. See? And Glory Train. How many trainers is there? And Monferno. He's a monkey. And last time, I think I saw a pineapple guy. Or probably different. Eggs. Egg. Cute. Yeah. And his name is Far-Fetched Watch. And our last one for this video, Dusco. He's kind of like a witch. Guys, we almost forgot. I am so happy Look! I missed these cards, by the way. We forgot to check them. So, I'm gonna get one by one and show them to you. So let's start with this card that's kind of green. Rilla Boom. Those cards are so. Oh, I always been waiting for this card. It's called Dialog. Single strike. Whoa. I always been waiting for this card and I finally have it. And the next one is Intello. Rip Strike. And our last one, it's Chin Erase. Whoa. So guys, just wait for a sec. I'm gonna show you all of the cards I have. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. But I'm gonna show you what my favorite card is before. This guy. His name is Dialga. He's so cool because he can do 210 damage and 80 damage too, and 130 health. And he's like a legendary, I think. So, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!